Look, can I pet the bird? No, those are dirty birds. We're gonna visit your uncle. He has clean birds.
Hey, I heard Frank found a rat's tail. Let's go get a bite before it's gone.
Are we dirty birds?
Nah, of course we are. All birds are dirty.
But that lady said...
Yeah. Donut, that's a myth. They don't like us. They kick at us. Plus, what do you want clean for? We got a tasty rat tail, and I heard Falafella's had her eyes on you lately.
Fungus foot falafel?
Yeah, strike while the iron's hot, before the fungus reaches too high up. Besides, what are you waiting for? It's not like some well-groomed pigeon is just gonna fall out of the blue and invite you back to her place.
Wow, are you... I'm like, whatever, but my wings are clipped, and I was wondering if you could maybe help me get back up to my coop before that snake in the grass that pushed me off the roof tries to court my man. Well, you gonna help? So like, thanks for helping me back with some of these long jumps. Too bad you're not strong enough to just fly us up, because all these little hops in between are making me sweat, and I like, hate being dirty and smelly. Me too. Right. Well, luckily, when I get back, I can have the architect clean me. Architect? It's the human that makes all these buildings around us. He lives here and keeps these birds inside with him. How do you get him to clean you? Come on, I'll show you. What's with him? I like hypnotized him, that way I can control him to let us out and give us good baths. Watch. Throw the traitor overboard! It wasn't me! Oh, his lunch break is over. So, like, you should go. Do you think I could stay with you guys? Nah, we got no room here. No room, thanks for your help, bye! Oh my god, he like smelled so bad. Wait, no, stop.
Say, Donut, what's going on?
I just wanted to try to make a clean spot for myself.
Clean? Oh, Donut. Look, if you want to live in the alley with the colony, you have to share with the colony. We share food, we share family, we share the filth. So give up your dreams of being clean here.
No, but I want to be a clean bird.
Then get out of here. No clean birds allowed in the alley.
Who do you think you are? What are you doing here?
I'm going to live here.
We'll see about that. That's calling the architect.
Hey, what has gone into you two? No, you gotta go. I need to finish my sections.
You better leave, or else.
Am I supposed to be scared of you?
Not of us. Get him, Tiger.
Maybe I should just live alone. Let's see. Architect? Vacant lot? Oh, I can have a whole building to myself. Got the permit. Well, it's clean, but now I'm a little lonely. No. No. Stop. Everyone get out.
But Donut, sure.
Get out of my apartment. Can I share with you? What? No. Oh, to clean? Yeah, sure. Thanks. It's been rough lately, and I just want to be clean and sleep somewhere clean, but I can't since I'm locked out. Well, it's not clean right now because of some other birds, but that's my apartment over there. Oh well, I'd like to see it. And I actually like cleaning, so I can help if you want. Wow, you're amazing. I mean, that would be amazing.
Say, Donut, here's that monthly bag of seed you requested. Thanks again for letting us alley pigeons share the units on the lower floors. We're trying to keep it clean like you taught us.
You did good, Donut.